Okay, so in previous questions, it asked you to review on characteristics of the Earth, characteristics of the Moon, and then what the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun have all in common. This is a picture of a Venn diagram we did on Friday. So just to remind you that the couple of characteristics that they have in common is that they all rotate on its axis, which means they all spin. They're all a sphere, which means they are all circular, and they're all part of our solar system. Some characteristics you could have said for the Moon is that it has thin to no atmosphere. It's not very hot, right? So the core temperature is only 60,000 degrees Celsius, which means it's not very hot. It's a satellite because it goes around our Earth. You could have also said that it has rocks, it has volcanoes, it has craters, it has landforms. Some characteristics of the Earth, you could have said that it has liquid water. It's the only planet that we know of that has life, and that is the third planet from the Sun. So it's the only planet it's the only one that is a planet. The Moon and the Sun are not a planet. All right, go to the next slide so you can start the lesson.